What's up, Cardano holder? What's going on today? Is very bad day, my friend. 9.21% the price is decreasing now. Very bad condition, my friend. I am also very sad because I am also holder of Cardano. So therefore, the price is very badly decreased now, and the reason, absolutely, my friend, very important reason. Today all day I researched for this big reason. When which reason, my friend, I found definitely it's a very important for all of you to understand better now, my brother. And this time, my friends, please, I am going to predicate this coin, but please, if you are new to my channel, I have one request: to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. All right, if we check out, my friend, minus 9.21%, they are just only lost now in last 24 hours. But as just only, if we can see here, my friend, the highest price $2.37 USD. So they were pares down to $2.12 USD, very badly pares down. And my friend, the price will jump to $3.3 USD to $2 USD very urgently, my friend. And I think, my friend, I hope to at the end of month, especially last 10 days of every month, every coin will pumps up. So therefore I expect very good, my friend, from Cardano. But it is also possible, my friends, to short time investors starting selling and the coin will fails down, my friend. The reason of this very bad condition, my friend, as one this to all crypto market is not compatible, because, my friend, all investors are starting selling, they cannot starting buying, they cannot investing more. So therefore, my friends, the coin will fails down. But don't worry, I hope in upcoming time the price will be increased, the price will be pumps up, because, my friend, my technical analysis clearly told this, my friends, to upcoming time the price will be increasing. I am 100% sure to after a fails, definitely every coin will pumps up. So therefore, I am 100% sure to after this dub. As you can see here, PB as PB is here now. You can see here, and second here, the third one is here now. So definitely these three targets, my friend, if we just only target down, so they will make a white triangle. This triangle is clearly show you, my friend. You can see here to the resistance line they already hit now. So if they hit the resistance line, so that's clear to upcoming time this coin will give you a profit. Thanks for watching, Cardano holder. Kindly, I hope in upcoming time the price will pops up. So please hold it, don't start excited, and please invest more and more. Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe channel.